Good morning, dear students. We were discussing about growth and development of a school going child, and we have already seen the biological development, including the height and weight, the maturation of different systems, and dentition. What are the changes in the dentition? So, now we will discuss about the motor development of a school going child. So, already in preschool age, we have seen that maturation of different systems are helping the preschool child to do most of the gross motor activities. And in the new nervous system maturation, we have already seen that the child is already almost mature in the neurological system, which will be evident by the more balance and coordination and ability to do almost all physical motor activities. So that can be seen in the uh, following slides. By 6 to 8 years, the gross motor development, the child will be able to do like riding the bicycle. So in preschool child, the child was riding a tricycle. Now it is more coordinated to, and the child will have a more balance with the bicycle with two wheels. They will run, jump, climbs. They will be in constantly in motion and coordination is improving. Regarding the fine motor development, they will know right from left hand and draw a person with 12 to 16 parts. So they will be drawing the eyes, the eyebrows, lips, nose, ears, ear with earrings. So that much specification is developing, and into 12 to 16 parts the child will be drawing. And he has improved eye hand coordination. Regarding the self care at 6 to 8 years, the child will be having some feeding skills like likes to eat with fingers and stuffs food into mouth. That means more amount of food will be taken as a bowl, and they will be stuffing in the mouth and they will chewing like feeding skills will be more developed during school age, and talkative while eating, more eating at beginning of meals. So they will be trying to eat more in the beginning, and slowly it will be reducing and they will be stopping eating. By 6 to 8 years, their dressing skills, the self care managed, they will be able to do hygienic activities like bathing self. These all things they can manage. Needs to be reminded to wash hands, especially before eating food and all. We should remind them to to wash hands. May need some help with the dressing, maybe if there is any laces or there is some buttons in the back, they may need some help. Wears whatever is selected by the parents. Now they don't have any much choices. They will wear whatever is selected by their parents, and leaves clothes where they are removed, and can comb hair. So these are the dressing skills of 6 to 8 year child. In 8 to 10 years, gross motor, they will perform tricks on bicycle and they will race. They will participate in races. So now they have more balance in uh, their cycling. So they will show tricks like leaving the hands. They will do the bicycling. That's why 8 to 10 years we know that neurological maturation is almost complete by 10 years. And throws a ball skillfully like cricket or football, they will be participating with more skill, and begins to participate in the organized sports. In fine motor development, they will use both hands independently. Draws a person with 18 to 20 parts. Drawing is improved. Writing is improved. Smoothness and speed will be improved, and paints fluently cursive writing is also improved. So more fine motor activities like writing, drawing, these all development is happening in 8 to 10 years. In self-care, feeding skills handles utensils skillfully. So we can give them breakable utensils. They will manage it properly without any breakage. And dressing skills dresses self completely, enjoy selecting on clothes, unaware of dirty clothes and needs to be reminded in hygiene. So they enjoy selecting their own clothes because we have seen that in the previous age 6 to 8 years they will wear whatever is selected by the parents. But now in 8 to 10 years they have their own choice in dressing. So that is about the self care. In 10 to 12 years, that is almost they are about to start their adolescence. So gross motor enjoys all physical activities like they will run, they will jump, they can manage the beam balancing, they can ride bicycles, they can balance on they can manage some tricks on bicycle. So all in activities will be enjoyed by a school going child in 10 to 12 years. And fine motor coordination continues to improve. So writing, drawing, like these all activities will be continued in 10 to 12 years also. Self care. So now they will start criticizing the table manners of parents because in 10 to 12 years almost all feeding abilities are developed. They can eat properly, they can manage everything properly. Now they start criticizing others, especially the caregiver. So by 1 year they were helped by the caregiver to eat. Now by 10 to 12 years they will start criticizing the parents' table manners. Okay? Dressing skills may wear some clothes continuously if they like something. They will wear and leave clothes where they fall. Enjoy wearing current style of clothes. They will be observing the current style by seeing the movies, by seeing the others dressing pattern. Needs constantly reminding of personal hygiene, baths frequently and prefers showers. So this is about the self care of a school going child by 10 to 12 years. Regarding the sensory development, visual acuity is 20 by 20. Accommodation and refractive power reaches stability and tendency of myopia increases by 8 years to adolescent age and taste and smell discrimination is greater. So there is a chance of getting myopia during this time and all sensory development is almost complete by 10 to 12 years. Thank you very much.